Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we went and got the Rode Mic Video Pro. So we're trying to beef up the audio on our channel, but we do shoot another video now. My wife has a YouTube channel called Hungry Huckabee. We would like for you all to check that out, support the channel. So I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to support, or if you want to know more about cooking and cooking different foods, that would be the channel to check out. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. Now the VideoMic Pro by Rode, I've checked out many reviews, I've checked out many videos on this, and it's definitely got a lot of thumbs up. So I thought this may be the microphone for me for the type of videos that I'm going to be shooting. And I pretty much got it because I'm going to be shooting Hungry Huckabee. And what I was trying to do is eliminate having this microphone like the one that's on me pinned to her, so I can have a cleaner video with also better audio. So it's the reason why I got this one, and I could use this one to shoot my video as well when I'm in front of the camera, kind of like I am right now. That way I can use my DSLR camera instead of always using my Galaxy Note 8, which my Galaxy Note 8 is phenomenal. I mean, if you listen to the sound quality now versus if I take this out, the sound quality is not so great. So this can also be used for people who do vlogging, for people who are videotaping on Facebook, or if you're just doing video in general. Once you play it back, you can see how awesome the audio sounds. It pretty much draws you into the video, especially with the audio being so clear. So you may want to consider this. And we are going to do a video review on the comparison between different microphones so you can see which one may be for you, and especially checking out the different sound qualities on the different microphones. So with that being said, microphones are important for better audio if you want people to continue to listen and watch your videos on YouTube. This is vital. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. We're going to check this out. We're going to talk about some of the specs. Then we're going to open this up, put it on the Canon T5i that I have, and it should work for your Canon T5, T3i, T2i, or whatever DSLR you got. If you have this shotgun mount right here, this should fit right on it. Okay. Now, one of the things you get that I thought was awesome with this microphone is a 10-year warranty. Now, the 10-year warranty, you have to fill it out online. If you don't, you're pretty much only going to get a 12-month warranty. Also, you get a shock mount. And what the shock mount does is it picks up the vibration, so therefore you can still get smoother and cleaner audio. Also, you get a battery that lasts up to 70 hours. This one here, you can take the battery out. So just go ahead, buy some more rechargeable 9-volt batteries, and you're good. Okay. Also, we're going to talk about the different dB level boost, quality sound you can get out of the microphone in different conditions and how it would sound. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's unbox this to take a closer look at the Video Rode Mic by Rode. This is my first one. I'm very excited about it. I haven't used it at all. It's been sitting around here for a while. This here, you don't want to throw away. You always want to keep the instructions. Get you a box or I don't know, a drawer to throw these in. Always keep these because you can always revert to if you have any questions. And this is the microphone itself. Now, the deceiving part from looking at this online, you may think, oh, this has metal in it of some sort. No, it is all plastic. Very lightweight, which I think is very cool, especially when you got something mounting on a DSLR camera. Can't say it, tongue-tied. And that way it keeps the weight down, so therefore it's still manageable when you're holding and you're shooting. So I like that. Now, simply all you have to do is take this bottom part, clip it on to the shotgun mount, and then you take this wheel and you screw it till it tightens down. Doesn't take long at all. And that just keeps it sturdy so that it doesn't slide off. Now you see how that goes. That picks up vibrations from when you're moving around. Seems like it's going to do a really good job. I like it thus far. These are your different gains that's going to give you different sound qualities based off of what type of environment you're in, whether it's noisy, whether it's too soft, or whether you're outside in the wind. I didn't get a dead cat with this, but I wish I had, just in case I shoot outside when I'm shooting, you know, family, my kids, and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Now, you should have a flap on the side of your camera, and you should see a port that says mic. Just plug it into that. If we can get this in. All right, we got it in, plug it in, and this is pretty much the way it's gonna look. Just kind of get it out the way of your shooting and you're good to go. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Galaxy Note 8 off the mount, right? And then we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put this on and we're gonna check out the different sound qualities from the different gains that we have on the back of here, just to hear the quality sound of this microphone. Cool? You guys ready? This look good, don't it? Okay, you all, before we check out the Rode mic and its feature functions and settings, we have to tweak the settings on our camera first. So whatever camera you have, DSLR, mirrorless camera, go into your menu. And once you go into your menu, you're going to look for sound recording. Once you find sound recording, it's going to already be preset, at least on the Canon T5i, T2i, 3i. It's going to be already set at default. Let me go back. It's already going to be set on the default for auto. And once you tap there, you're going to tap on auto again. You're going to see manual. Just simply tap on manual. And here's where you're going to tweak it. Now, depending on where your settings are, you really want to have this at 50% or a little over 50%, but you don't want to go too far past the 12 with the positive dB gain. It's really going to destroy the sound quality on your footage, and you don't want to do that. Once you get this set, leave it on manual, and then you can go ahead and go out. Do not set it back to auto. Now we can go check out the features and functions on the Rode mic itself. Let's take a look at the Rode mic settings. Now, in order to cut the microphone on, just take this notch at the top, go over one latch over, and that's going to turn it on. Now, if the battery is running low, the light will turn red, so be mindful of that. That's just going to notify you that it's time to recharge or put some more batteries in the microphone. Now, if I go over one more, this is my high pass filter. Let's say I got a fan or a heater blowing in the background. This is pretty much gonna eliminate most of that sound, if not all of the sound, depending on how close the fan is. So that's what this is useful for. And if we go down to the bottom, it's set at 0. Now 0, it pretty much doesn't do anything, but if I set it over here on -10, if I'm at a concert, if I'm in anywhere where there's loud noise, construction going on, this is going to allow that to go past, so you can get more quality sound out of the vocals and the person that you're shooting. And 20 dB gain simply brings out your voice a lot more. You will hear a little bit more of the background, and that's pretty much the setting. If you want to see more in-depth reviews on settings, they have more videos on YouTube, so check it out. Okay, now that we got the settings out the way for the microphone and the camera, what we want to check out now is the sound quality coming out of the Canon T5i with the Rode mic. Right now, we don't have no microphone on. The lapel mic is gone. We're shooting off for raw audio that's coming right off of the camera, which is in auto. Auto just kind of pretty much balances everything out. It sounds pretty good. Now, what we're going to do now, because you should hear some kind of echo in the background with the sound coming off the Canon T5i, let's go ahead and check out one of the settings, which is the high pass filter. Okay, this is the microphone set to 0 dB and 0 high pass filter. Nothing is set. This is the quality sound that you're going to get out of this sound in this setting. Okay, this is the quality sound you're going to get out of the mic set at high pass filter in 0 dB gain. So what does it sound like? Does it sound good? Is this a setting you would put it at? I'm talking regular, I hope. If Billy had $2 and Johnny took away 10, how many dollars would Billy have? Okay, this is the setting on the Rode mic with the high pass filter on and the dB gain set to -10. How does it sound? Does it sound good? Did Johnny ever get his money, or did Billy run off with it? This is with the high pass filter off at plus dB. Okay, this is with the high pass filter off, set at -10 dB gain. How does it sound? Okay, so that was it for everything. Right now we have it set at 0 and 0. 0 dB, 0 high pass filter, nothing is on. How does it sound now? All right, that's going to be it. Hopefully you recognize those phrases I just got through saying. That's when we were children. I guess I'm kind of telling my age. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot of info out of it. And if you wanted me to do anything else so far as the Rode mic is concerned, like settings or how to mount it or how it sounds outside with these settings, hit me in the comment section down below, and we will try to get that video out for you all. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, take care. I will see you all at the next video.